we have to solve this question. So first of all, read the question by pausing. After you could see the solution. Okay, the first step we have to do is that the condition given that 2024 the number of max students who got placed was double that of the previous year. Okay, so in 2023 here max student was 7%. So 7% is equal to 7 by 100 of, I'm taking the total place student as T23 of 2023, total 23 is T23. So 7 by 100 of T23. Okay, so in 2024 I would take the total as T24. So the max student placed was 9%. So 9 by 100 into T24. So it is given that the number of student, that is 9 by 100 into T24 is equal to 2 into 7 by 100 into T23. This 2 is that in the question it is given. Okay, in the question this condition is given. We wrote this as a max equation. Okay, here we would simplify it. So 0.09 into T24 is equal to 2 into 7 is 40. 40 by 100 into T23 is equal to 0.14 into T23. Again, T24 is equal to, we are taking the 0.09 to other side. So 0.14 by 0.09 into T23. So we are simplifying this. So multiplying both side into 100. Okay, numerator and denominator, not both side, numerator and denominator by 100. We would get 14 divided by 9 into T23. Okay, so when we solve this we would get 1. So here it is 5. So 0, putting a decimal. So 45 we get 5. So 45 is 9. So 1 point, sorry, one mistake from my side. 45 is 5. 9 into 5 is equal to 45. So 1.5. So 1.5 into T23. So I'm typing this. What here we got is that this T24. So T24 is equal to 1.5 into T23. Okay, I'm putting this. So sorry, this is the first equation. Okay, moving on to second condition. Which of the following is the closest to the percentage change in the number of life science student placed in year 2024? What is the change in the number of life science student is the question. So we have to take life science student of 2023, which is 44 by 100 of T23, total of 2023. What we got in 2023. So in 2024 it is changed to 43%. 43 by 100 of what? T24. Okay, so we have to find the what is the percentage change. So we could substitute T24 with this equation, this T24 with this equation. So when we substitute here 43 by 100, that is this, into 100 into 1.5 into T23. Okay, so this when we simplify it is 0.43 into 1.5 into T23. Okay, that is equal to 43 into 50. So 5, 20, 21, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6. So 645 into T23. We have to put the decimal. So 1, 2, 3. So 0.645 into T23 is the second one. Then again we have to simplify it. 1 minute. So solving the balance, we would get in 2023 the number of life science students is 44 by 100 into T23. We have write that above. So that is equal to 0.44 into T23. In 2024 we got just 0.645 into T23. One thing we got is that the life science student of 2024 is greater because these two are the numbers. So T23 is common. So 0.44 and 0.645. We know that 0.645 is greater than 0.44. So we know that there is an increase. Okay, increase in 2024 compared to 2023. The question is that closest to the percentage change in the number of life science student placed in year 2024. So we know that there is an increase. We cut the decrease option. Then we have to find the difference of 0.645 and 0.44. We get 5, 0, 2. This is the difference that we got. So the question is asking about percentage change in the number of life science student placed in year 2024. So percentage change is compared with the 2023. So we have to take we got the difference as 0.205. So 0.205 divided by the number of 2023 is 0.44. Okay, this 0.44 into 100 we are doing. So we get what? So this 100 when we multiply here on the numerator, we get 2 decimal is moving to from the left to right. So 0.5 divided by 0.44, that is equal to, we are multiplying both side into 100, numerator and denominator. So we get into 100 divided by 0.44 into 100. So that is equal to 25. So we are getting 2050 by 4 4. This is the one. So we have to solve that. 44 into 5 is 20. 4 into 5 is 20. 22. So 44 into 4, 16, 17, 176. So 4. Here we get the 176. Here 4. Then that is 180. Then 20. Then 5. So 25, 4, 29. 29, 0. Then here we get 44 into 6. So 4 into 6 is 2. So here we get it is a 4. So 70, 70, 20, 24 we get. From the 24, I think we put stop here, something point something we get. So we got that there is a 46% increase. Okay, so the nearly increased by 50%. Okay, when we do this and this when we divide this, this step, when we do this step, that is this 14 divided by 9, I got 1.5, but we could get 1.55. When we do with this and doing the all the equation, we get approximately 50% as 51% as answer. Okay, when we do with 1.5, we get approximately 46%. It is nearly 50%. So we get 2 increased by 50%. So here this is our answer. Okay.